friends, kaddu or pumpkin is cooked and prepared in so many ways. It's not only simple recipe but equally delicious. So today we'll share with you all one authentic Halwai style recipe of kaddu, and believe me friends, you will not forget its taste. Its awesome combination with puris and parathas is really mouth watering. So do try this out.
This is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. So my today's yummy recipe is authentic style kaddu ki sabji. So friends, before starting with the recipe, I would like to request you all to please watch my full video, and in case if you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also do press the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of all my further videos. For detailed written recipe and ingredients with their measurements, please visit the description box below. So why to wait? Let's move on to my kitchen. So friends, for this recipe I have used the cut pumpkin pieces from the market. If you have the whole pumpkin, then peel off the skin and then cut it into the medium sized pieces like this. So I have washed these pieces thoroughly under the water. Now let's move on to our tadka spices, which will include methi seeds, whole black peppers, cloves, ajwain seeds and whole red chilies. The measurement is already given in the description box. Now let's move on to our tadka. For that I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of refined oil. You can even take mustard oil, which is authentically used in this recipe, and allow this oil to be heated well. Then reduce the flame and add your methi seeds first. So you have to roast these seeds for few seconds, and you don't have to be in hurry in roasting these seeds. Give them enough time and do remember to keep the flame low. We don't want to burn them. So once methi seeds are roasted well for few seconds, now add cloves and black pepper and again roast them for a while. Then add ajwain seeds after crushing them, and at last add whole red chilies and roast them for few seconds too. But be careful of not making your red chilies turn black. Now friends, add grated or chopped ginger and roast it for few seconds only. I have taken frozen ginger cubes so it will be dissolved while further cooking. Now add the pumpkin pieces and increase the flame. You have to continuously toss or roast the pieces in the tadka for around 5 to 6 minutes over medium to high flame. So friends, don't skip this step because roasting them on high flame will add amazing flavor to the recipe. Now it's the time to reduce the flame to low and add our basic dry spices. So friends, as pumpkin is already yellow, so add only half teaspoon of haldi powder. Then add other dry spices like red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and coriander powder. The measurement is already given in the description box. Now friends, it's the time to add salt as per your taste and give it a very nice mix. Now friends, it's the time to cover and cook our pumpkin for around 5 to 6 minutes at low flame only. So friends, by the time our kaddu is cooking, let's prepare the special masala for it, which will actually give the recipe an authentic taste and flavor. So friends, for this masala preparation, I have taken 2 teaspoon of amchur powder, 2 to 3 teaspoon of jaggery powder, half teaspoon of hing, some black salt as per your taste and some black pepper powder which is optional. So you have to mix everything well and your special masala will be ready. So friends, for this masala you can even increase the amount of jaggery here or you can even increase the amount of amchur as per your taste. So there is no hard and fast rule. I have taken the basic measurements only. So friends, as you can see here, our kaddu is cooking well at low to medium flame for around 5 to 6 minutes. So friends, now it's the time to open the lid, give a nice mix and then add the special masala which we have prepared just now and again mix this masala very well with the kaddu. So after mixing this masala, again cover and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes at low to medium flame only. So friends, after 2 to 3 minutes of more cooking, now you can see that our kaddus are soft and the masala has released the oil. You don't have to make your kaddus very mushy. So now it's the right time to add our chopped green chilies and chopped green coriander leaves. So friends, you must have noticed that I didn't add green chilies during the tadka. So adding them here will enhance its taste. So just mix the chilies and green coriander well and again cover and cook it for 1 more minute only so that the nice aroma of chilies and coriander get absorbed inside the kaddu. So friends, after 1 minute you can see here our kaddu is now perfectly ready, so just switch off the flame. So friends, after switching off the flame, again close the lid and allow the kaddu to rest for around 5 minutes and then it will be ready to be served. So friends, after 5 minutes just open the lid and see how nice color and texture this recipe has got. Isn't it looking amazing and it's so authentic and yummy. So just take it out in any serving bowl and then it will be ready to be served. So friends, this yummy kaddu is authentically served with puris or parathas. So I have served it with yummy parathas and believe me friends, it's letting me lots of water in my mouth. I couldn't resist eating it. And I am sure that you all definitely liked my recipe and will definitely try to make it. So friends, do share your feedback and experience with the recipe in my comment section below and also let me know which other recipes you want me to post. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.